Today I am gonna show you how to calibrate an ESC using a signal generator. First we attach our drone to the ESC like that, and then the power input for the ESC goes like that to the power supply. Then the connection of the signal wires is like that. The orange is the signal, and then brown is the ground. Then the yellow is the signal and black is the ground. It goes to this junction. This black crocodile comes from the signal generator ground, and then the red crocodile is the output of the signal generator. I am probing this point with the oscilloscope to see the pulse width. I am not connecting the ground of the oscilloscope because the grounds of the signal generator and oscilloscopes are connected in their chassis through the outlet of the power outlet of the wall. Okay, first we need to adjust our signal generator. The signal generator is adjusted to a 50 Hz pulse with its amplitude is 3.3 volts peak to peak, and we need to give an offset of 1.65 volts, which is the half of the amplitude peak to peak. It guarantees that we never fall behind the ground level here like that. We will always be in the upper or the ground level like this. I am showing with my hand. Okay, to do so, first we power our signal generator, then we will power our power supply. We will power our signal generator at 10% duty, which tells the ESC to get in the calibration mode. Okay, let's power the signal generator on. Then we will power, you see the pulse by the way like that, and then we will power the power supply like that. We see a beep like this kind of pulsy beep with slow interval. Then we get to the 5% duty cycle. 5 and okay. When the 2 beeps occurs, which means 7.5 volts, which is the corresponds to 2 lipo battery, and then which means that the calibration is done, and I may increase my duty cycle to power my motor like that. And decrease the duty cycle to slow down the motor like that. Thanks for watching.